How to plant a vegetable garden. If you want the freshest produce possible, consider planting your own home garden. After all, you can't get any closer to your kitchen table than your own backyard. Growing your own vegetables is thrifty, too. According to the National Gardening Association, the average family with a vegetable garden spends $70 on their crops, but they grow an estimated $600 worth of vegetables. To get started, here are 10 steps recommended by the National Gardening Association. 1. Choose the right location. Choose a location for the kitchen garden that has plenty of sun, ample space and close proximity to your hose or water source. Find a level area to help prevent erosion. 2. Select your vegetables. Decide what produce to include based on your climate, space, tastes and level of expertise. Newcomers may want to consider some of the easier crops to grow, like carrots, beans, cucumbers, peppers and lettuce. 3. Prepare the soil. Mix compost and natural fertilizers into your vegetable garden to condition the soil for your plants. Garden supply stores can test the acidity of your soil and recommend supplements, or you can simply purchase specially made oil in bulk. 4. Check vegetable planting schedule. Growing conditions and ripening cycles are different depending on the plant and the season, so you should not sow all the seeds at the same time. Vegetables planting schedule can be found on seed packets. Review the ideal conditions for each vegetable you want to plant before creating a gardening schedule. 5. Plant the seeds. Place your seeds or plants into the soil, following the depth and spacing directions carefully. 6. Add water. Gently spray the garden with water to keep the soil evenly moist throughout the growing season. Purchase a spray nozzle for your hose so you can create a gentle rain-like mist for your vegetable garden. 7. Keep the weeds out. Mulching is the most effective way to prevent weeds. Add a 2 to 4 inch thick layer of organic mulch to your vegetable garden to keep the weeds from overtaking your crops. If weeds do appear in the vegetable garden, grab them low on their stems and yank sharply, making sure to extract the entire root. 8. Give your plants room to grow. Check the spacing guide on the seed packets and be sure to remove crowded seedlings right away. 9. Fertilize as needed. Lightly till the soil by hand and add fertilizer to keep it rich. You can purchase prepared garden fertilizer or make your own from items like Epsom salt, eggshells, fish tank water and kitchen compost. 10. Reap what you sow. Harvest vegetables when they're young and tender, pull root crops as soon as they reach edible size. Collect leaf crops by cutting them to within 2 inches of the ground.